Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Summit local and long distance movers near me. Relocating doesn't just involve financial commitments, it also affects you physically and mentally. Deciding to relocate is one of the decisions that has a lot of impact on one's life. There are different reasons why people migrate. It may be for work, school, or retirement. Regardless of the reasons you are moving, you have to go through the process of transporting your belongings. Transferring your belongings is a demanding process, but there's a smart way out of the stress. All you have to do is hire capable hands. 3 Movers is a local and long distance moving company in Summit, Arizona. We are not only the most reputable moving firm in the city, but we are also the most affordable. We take charge of the entire moving process while keeping you updated on the progress. Even if you have not figured out the exact details of your move, we help you sort out the details. Different clients have different needs, which is why we offer custom service. A move that is over 50 miles from your old location is a long-distance move. It can be within the same state or outside the state. We understand the different factors that determine a successful move, and we work with those factors to ensure good results. Our drivers are also professionals. We work with only drivers with excellent driving experience. They know and abide by every highway rule and regulation. Your belongings get to you in perfect condition and on time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Summit Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.